So using Autoglym vinyl and rubber care to bring up the overall look and appearance of the door card. But first of all, what I'm going to do is give the door card a clean with Autoglym interior shampoo. I'm now going to apply some of the Autoglym vinyl and rubber care onto a microfiber pad. Not too much. And then just gently work it in. Just let that dry for a moment. Now include a before and after photos. There you go, that's Autoglym vinyl and rubber care, using it on a vehicle door card. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel, take a look around at the other uploads, and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da for now.